On our 10th episode of our 60-second reviews, this one deserves more than a minute. An unboxing of the new Basalte Fibonacci keypad. Thanks to Basalte for providing us with not only the keypad, but their full leather-bound display box, shipped straight to us from Belgium. For anyone who saw our last review on their Chopin keypad, you'll know that all of their products are handmade in Belgium, and this box looks similarly well crafted. Keypads are the foundation of a luxury smart home system, as multifunction keypads allow you to control lights, shades, heating and cooling, and music, pretty much anything, from a single intuitive wall plate, and Basalte makes keypads which are works of art. Opening up this box is a journey of its own, and opening the top and removing the foam protection, we see the Fibonacci in all its glory. Inspired by Fibonacci's golden ratio, Basalte says it's an avant-garde look, and it's certainly bold, but yet there's something natural and intuitive about these shapes. This fully functional keypad is in brushed aluminium for those of you in Europe, and boy does it look exquisite. One impression here that you can't see but I can feel is the weight of this keypad. It strikes me that you don't get something that feels this solid by assembling cheap parts in a mass production factory. These buttons must be individually CNC machined from solid blocks of metal to get this feel. Fibonacci comes in all premium Basalte finishes to work with every interior, and this display box comes with all of them displayed as cool little blocks of solid metal. The first one is their aluminum collection. We've already got the brushed aluminum, but there's also a smooth satin white, this one in a 2-button configuration. You also have options for brushed dark gray and brushed black. Next we have the classic collection. This one is a 4-button with brushed brass, bronze, brushed nickel, and rosé also available. Finally we have the Fur Forgé collection. Coming up, this 4-button in Fur Forgé gray. Also, gunmetal, bronze, and rosé with the unique Fur Forgé texture are available in this collection. So let's plug in the keypad to show some of the interface features using this cool USB battery, which is included in the display kit. First thing you'll notice is the little arrows. These are custom laser engraved labels which you can have with text. The keypad actually has a proximity sensor, so it lights up when you approach. Single button presses are met with a solid tactile feedback and white LED light. Multi-touch gives you orange light, and you can even hold buttons to get a green light so that you have many more programmable commands. Designed to fit in common single-gang outlet boxes in Europe and the US, and integrating with KNX, Crestron, as well as Lutron, the Fibonacci will soon be found, I'm sure, in luxury homes all over the world.